Robin, and today I have a Fab Fit Fun box. I'm so excited because I don't really know what it is that I ordered. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. It does mean so much to me. I've met so many wonderful, wonderful people by doing YouTube. So let's get into it. I already received my spring box, and I ordered some add-ons or that mystery bag that you get for like $20. And then I got this box, so I don't know what it is. So I order boxes, and I forget that I order boxes, but I honestly don't know what it is. So let's see what it is. It's like this. It's got the catalog with everything that's in your box and some like little news items and things. And it's funny because when I opened my last one, which you would have seen by now, it had 9 free meals for HelloFresh, which I like. This one has 10 free meals. So if I get another box, will I get more meals? And then it has some dental item by Bite. And it has the beautiful sticker. So I don't know if this is just another box that I paid for. I know they have a spring edit box, but I didn't think I got it, but maybe I did. So I'll have to check my account and see. I'm running out of room here. And let me open this up. So again, I hope you are all doing well. And what I'm asking, because I know we're stuck home, and some of you have kids, some of you it's just you and your husband. What are you cooking? Do you guys have favorites? Now I know Vicky from Vicky Weeks, and I know she changed her channel name, West Coast Weeks. I know she doesn't cook, because that's one thing we have in common is we don't cook. What are you guys cooking? Do you have special recipes? Do you have desserts? Do you have appetizers? Do you have drink recipes? Is there any special recipe that you cook? Okay, it's all in the texturing. So do we all get the same box? I have no idea what this box is. If you know what this box is, let me know. Is it their spring edit? Or you might not want to let me know because you think I'm crazy for not knowing. So the first thing is this Amber Scents. Is it a coin necklace? I don't know what this is. Is this bar necklace. Now I know it was an option you could have gotten in the other box, but I didn't get that. So now I got it. So I don't know, is this, I don't know what this box is. So we got the necklace. I'm not going to open it because I'm not a big gold wearer, and I will probably just put this in a giveaway. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this. So let's see if I can find it. If I can find it. I guess I just don't know what this box is. Oh, here, what's in the box? So I guess it must be like another spring box, because here's the necklace, and it's the Amber Seats double coin necklace for $50. The next thing is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and I did get this in my other box, and I was excited to use it, so I guess if it works out well, I'll have another one. And this retailed for $40. So I guess I'll just go on my Fab Fit Fun site and see if I ordered two. But so far, this one I already got. The necklace I didn't. And then we have a mystery choice. Okay. Not sure what this is. Can't get into it. Thought I had scissors over here, but I can't find it. They wrap these up really, really good. Here we go. This is the Better Skin Company Epic Serum Power Trio Complex. Tightens, brightens, and revitalizes. Okay. And so it's a mystery choice. So I don't know if is it in the book? I don't see it in the book. I don't see it in the book. So if any of you got it, let me know. Let me know if you used it and what it is. The other thing that I got a duplicate of are these straws. I do love them, and I'm sure I can use them because how long are 4 straws gonna last? And I know I'll be the only ones using them in the house. I just can't picture Dennis sipping out of a straw. And they retail for $15. So I guess if I'm gonna get a duplicate item, that's the one to get. And then we got this little thing. Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. And it's not a duplicate. It's a cute little thing. Oh. Oh. Well, that is cute. Did any of you receive this? So. Smells good. See how much that retails for. The Rainbow Balm is $18. So that's really nice. Still just wondering why I got this box. Now I know I didn't get this in my last box because I think this is the 1B, the Donnie Rib Sweater Coat. And it is, smells good. It must have been sitting on something in the box. Oh, got a nice bottom to it. Guess if I put it the right way, it would look even better. Yeah, I kind of like this. This will be good just to throw on as a jacket to walk outside, so that's nice. And that retails for $99. Now, I don't think I would ever pay $99, but I do like it, and I didn't get it in my other box, so that's nice. And then I got the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, must be a cream, fast-acting cream. And I do love Murad products. And ooh, $78, fine lines and wrinkles. And what I don't see in this box that I got in my other box is that light thing that's supposed to remove wrinkles. And I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but this is nice. And I know Murad is expensive, but $78. It doesn't look like there's as many products in this box because they're pricier than my other box. But I do like that jacket. And I saw this pink here. I'm like, oh, is it a pink wig? This looks like the last thing in the box. And let me find some room. And this is something I did want. I did see somebody, a couple people actually unbox it in theirs. And I have such fine hair. And of course now, as I mentioned in my other video, I haven't been able to get my hair colored. I haven't been able to get it cut, trimmed, and fixed. So my split ends are looking like little spiders. So I don't want to use a curling iron or like any heat on it because I'm afraid it'll just get so brittle and fall off, and I'll be out there buying wigs. So I wasn't sure if this type of brush would help. I have to wash it first, but I thought this could be a good brush for somebody with fine hair. Let me know if you got this, or if you're a hairdresser, would you recommend it for somebody with like fine brittle hair? In my other box, I did get that leave-in conditioner, so I'm kind of hoping that works. So I'm kind of happy I got 2 boxes. I just hope I didn't pay like $100 for 2 boxes, so I will check. I had a problem with Fab Fit Fun because they sent my box, I think it was my winter box, they sent it to Washington and they weren't supposed to. I had to track it down, then they were supposed to forward it to Arizona. Anyway, it was a whole big mess, and they sent me out a new one. So I don't know if they sent me 2 by accident, but I will find out. I will let you know. And please leave comments on the brush. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.